still 1 hour left. What should I do?
Maybe you can hand scrub the tile floors.
Or you could hand wash all doors and trim, or etc.
That's a great idea. What else could I do?
You can vacuum all the furniture.
You could also hand wash cabinets.
Oh, I like that. Let's see.
Or maybe hand wash the outside hand railing.
Or you could wash all inside lights or clean outside lights.
Another great idea. Well, I will do that in an hour.
Maybe you could sweep the front porch, garbage, or back deck or sidewalks.
You could hand wash ceiling fans.
Great. That's great.
Yeah. Maybe you can clean inside of the windows with grand glass cleaner.
That's great idea.
Or you could clean inside of the oven or refrigerator.
How come I didn't think about that? Remember, at Grand Finale Cleaning, going above and beyond is our standard.